So before I get this video started, I wanted to give a quick shout out to my cousin Jade. She makes the cutest things and she is super talented. She hand makes everything and hand paints everything, and she can custom make all kinds of things for you guys. So I wanted to give her a quick shout out and show you her Instagram page. You can follow her on Instagram. Her Instagram is called Wonderfully Made Creations, and you can also find her on Facebook. I'm going to post both of the links down below in the description so you can check her out. I just think the things that she makes is adorable. I've given her shout outs on my Instagram before, but I wanted to share it with my YouTube following. So go check her out on Instagram and Facebook. Follow her, and if you have any special requests, all you have to do is private message her, and I'm sure she would love to work with you. Alright, so let's get this day in the life video started. First things first, I'm going to make myself some teamy tea because a girl needs to wake up because I am feeling like a zombie right about now. So I'm going to make myself some teamy tea. I'm going to be drinking the Teamy Skinny Tea. If you want to know more about these products, I'm going to post my first video down below that I ever made on the Teamy Teas so you can find out more about it and how it worked for me and what it tastes like and all that fun stuff. So don't forget to check out that video when you're done with this one. So now that my Teamy Tea is finished, pretty much I just get back in bed and try to figure out what planet I'm on and try to start functioning so I can get started with my day. Basically, I like to just check my Instagram, read my daily scripture, text my mom and all that fun stuff, and get on the computer, check my email. And then you know I gotta call my mama and see what she's doing, see how she's feeling, say, hey girl, hey. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right here, just checking some emails and doing some things online and talking to my mom. And now that that Teamy Tea is kicked in, girl, I got to start cleaning. So I just clean up my bedroom and bathroom first, do a little here and a little there. Now it's time to start cleaning this kitchen up. Pretty much I'm just putting things back in their place, and then I'm unloading the dishwasher, wiping off the counters and all that. And as you can see, I'm still talking to my mom. So after being Cinderella for the last 3 hours and cleaning everything in sight, I decided to take a good hot bath and relax and pamper myself. So I'm going to be using these 24 karat gold products. The first product I'm showing you here is some 24 karat gold under eye gel patches. And the second product I'm showing you is a 24 karat gold glow mask. So these eye patches are really cool. You just put them under your eyes and leave them there for 20 minutes. And then you remove the little patches and tap the excess product into your skin. These products actually have 24 karat gold in them. It helps to improve the appearance of fine lines, lift, brighten, and detox the skin while hydrating. This treatment also will leave your skin feeling smoother and revitalized with a radiant glow. Okay, so I'm fresh and clean out the bathtub, and now it is time to beautify. So I'm gonna start off by putting some makeup on, y'all. Watch me here. Bam! Look at that. I done that within like 1 second. Can you believe it? Yeah, I'm just so talented. Okay, I'm totally just kidding. So anyways, I'm going to wipe off some of this fallout that happened to occur on my skin. And then I'm going to apply some of this collagen oil because, girl, I'm in need of some collagen, let me tell you. Next, I'm going in with some of this under eye cream from a company called Made from Earth. And sorry if I'm singing and dancing, but girl, I was listening to some of my favorite country songs and I was getting into it. So now I'm going to go in with my new favorite lotion. This is from a company called Saturday Skin. They literally make the most amazing facial exfoliation peel ever. So I put in an order for some of this lotion. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm like literally obsessed with it. Look how cool this is. You just press it down and the lotion comes up. It's so neat. But this moisturizer is really lightweight. It's super moisturizing. It feels amazing, and I am just crazy about it right now. So I just wanted to say really quick, I know that I haven't been talking this entire time during this video and telling you each and every product that I was using. So if there's something that you see that I'm using that you want to know what it is or what color it is or whatever, all you have to do is ask me. You know I will tell you down below in the comments. So just shoot a girl a message and I'll tell you whatever I was using. By the way, I want to let y'all know that I am wearing my brother's old t-shirt. I stole this shirt from him like years ago because I thought it was the coolest shirt ever. And I've never given it back, obviously, because it's my shirt now. But it's got some guitarists on it. It's got Joe Satriani, it's got Steve Vai and Eric Johnson. And it's just my favorite t-shirt, seriously. And brother, if you ever see this, you are not getting it back because it is mine. Okay, so I just wanted to come on here really quick and say this is going to be the end of the video because when I was in the middle of filming, Alan called me and told me he's on his way home, and you know when Alan gets home, it's all about him, girl. So I'm not gonna be filming anymore tonight, but I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments down below, and give this video a thumbs up. And also let me know if you would like to see more of these kind of videos because I actually enjoy filming them. So yeah, let me know if you'd like to see more like this, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.